The M109 is an American 155mm turreted self-propelled howitzer, first introduced in the early 1960s to replace the M44. It has been upgraded a number of times, most recently to the M109A7. The M109 family is the most common Western indirect-fire support weapon of maneuver brigades of armored and mechanized infantry divisions. The M109 has a crew of 4, the section chief commander, the driver, the gunner, and the ammunition handler loader. The chief or gunner aims the cannon left or right and up and down. The British Army replaced its M109s with the AS-90. Several European armed forces have or are currently replacing older M109s with the German PZH-2000. Upgrades to the M109 were introduced by the US and by Switzerland. With the cancellation of the US Crusader and non-line-of-sight cannon, the M109A6 will remain the principal self-propelled howitzer for the US for the foreseeable future until the new M1299 will enter service. The M109 was the medium variant of a US program to adopt a common chassis for its self-propelled artillery units. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.